In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in QuickBooks Online. Changing your password regularly is a crucial step in ensuring the security of your financial data, and today I'll guide you through the process in just a few minutes. So let's get started right away. First, make sure you're signed into QuickBooks Online. You'll begin by navigating to the QuickBooks website. Once there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login page, where you will choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. Now enter your login credentials, type in your email address or user ID and then your password. Once you've entered those details, hit the Continue button. This will authenticate your login and take you into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to where you can change your password. Look at the top right corner of the screen where you will see your profile photo or an icon representing your account. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Manage Your Intuit account. This is where you access your account settings. At this point, depending on your account settings, you might be prompted to re-enter your password for security reasons. This is a standard measure to ensure that it is indeed you making changes to your account. After you've reaffirmed your identity, you'll arrive at the Intuit account management page. Here, you'll need to find and click on the Sign In and Security tab. This section holds all the settings related to your account security, including where you change passwords. Within the Sign In and Security section, look for the option labeled Password. Click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your current password for verification purposes. After you've done this, it's time to enter your new password. Make sure that it's a strong password combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols to enhance your account's security. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, look for an update or save button and click it to confirm your changes. And there you have it, your password has been successfully updated. Remember to keep your new password in a secure place and avoid using easily guessed passwords like birthdays or common words. It's a good habit to change your passwords regularly to keep your data safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.